Hello students, today we are going to start class 4 subject English grammar chapter 13 degrees of comparison. Look at the following pictures and read the sentence loudly. First, Raj is a tall boy. Rahul is taller than Raj. Veer is the tallest boy. So in this picture you can see the comparison between the boys' height. So in sentences, first we are describing Raj as a tall boy. In this sentence, no comparison is being made. In hence, it is a positive degree or a simplest form of an adjective. In second two, we are making a comparison between two boys, Raj with Rahul. And hence, we use the comparative degree. Number 3. Show the highest degree of comparison, which is the superlative degree. So here they have three type of comparison. First is positive, second is comparative, and third is superlative. Okay. So thus we can see the adjective can be compared. There are 3 degrees of comparison. Okay. So formation of comparative and superlative degrees. So adjectives usually from their comparative and superlative degrees by the following way: by addition of er and est to the positive degree. So here you can see the comparison between the words: bright, brighter, brightest; young, younger, youngest; bold, bolder, boldest; clever, clever, cleverest; cold, colder, coldest. Okay, now here brave, braver, bravest; fine, finer, finest; large, larger, largest; nice, nicer, nicest; costly, costlier, costliest; easy, easier, easiest; happy, happier, happiest; heavy, heavier, heaviest; big, bigger, biggest; dim, dimmer, dimmest; hot, hotter, hottest; thin, thinner, thinnest; bad, worst, worst; good, better, best; far, feather, featherest; late, later, latest; late, later, last; little, less, least; much, more, most; beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay, useful, more useful, most useful; comfortable, more comfortable, most comfortable; dangerous, more dangerous, and most dangerous; difficult, more difficult, most difficult; enjoyable, more enjoyable, most enjoyable; helpful, more helpful, most helpful; important, most important, more important and most important; intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent; interesting, more interesting, and most interesting. Okay, so like we have to fill this table. So worst, we can write here bad also, we can write here evil also, and the superlative is worst. Then big, bigger, and biggest. Now the thinnest का क्या होगा? First is positive thin, then thinner; important, more important, and most important; then happy, happier, happiest. Now softest is soft, softer; beautiful, more, and most. Now the circle the correct option. Cherries are dash than strawberry. Cherries are sweeter than strawberry. December is coldest month of the year. She is the brightest student in our class. That is a big sandwich. This is the deepest lake I have seen. Devi is more intelligent than Ashmi. Malika, Malika Singh was the sorry, Milkha Singh was the fastest recorded Indian sprinter. Give her a dash milk to drink. Little. Now fill in the correct word with bracket, comparative or superlative. Your house is bigger than mine. This dress is more beautiful. Right here, beautiful. This is the most interesting. Which is the dash animal in the world most dangerous? So here write the dangerous. A holiday by the sea is trash than a holiday in the mountain. So the holiday by the sea is better than the holiday in the mountains. Who is the dash Bill Gates or Ambani? Who is richer? Now G and H is your homework. So here we have completed chapter number 13 and this work you have to do in your textbook only. Thank you.